65 million years ago, Earth was home to a flying killing machine, a creature known as the king of the skies. Yes, that's right, it was the pterosaur, the airborne assassin. These prehistoric flying reptiles soared over ancient landscapes for over 150 million years, mastering the skies long before birds even existed. But how big were they? How did they hunt? And why did they disappear? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see why pterosaurs were the true rulers of the sky. Despite their appearance, pterosaurs were not dinosaurs. They belonged to a separate group of reptiles, evolving around 225 million years ago, during the Triassic period. What made them so special? First, vertebrates to achieve powered flight. Unlike flying dinosaurs, pterosaurs developed wings made of skin, muscle, and fibers, stretched between an elongated fourth finger and their body. Huge variety of species. Some were as small as a modern pigeon, while others were as large as fighter jets. Highly adapted flyers. They had hollow bones to reduce weight, powerful flight muscles, and even a brain specialized for aerial movement. But just how big did these flying reptiles get? While some pterosaurs were small, others reached mind-blowing sizes. Let's talk about the true giants. Quetzalcoatlus, the largest known flying animal, with a wingspan of 33 to 40 feet. That's about the size of a small plane. Pterosaur, a close relative of Quetzalcoatlus, but possibly even heavier and more powerful. Pteranodon, one of the most famous pterosaurs, with a wingspan of around 20 feet. How did these massive creatures take off? Some scientists believe they used a quadrupedal launch, pushing off the ground with all four limbs, much like a modern-day vampire bat. But these weren't just giant gliders, they were deadly hunters. Pterosaurs weren't just flying lizards, they were highly adapted predators. Depending on the species, they had different hunting techniques. Skimming the water. Some, like Ramphorhynchus, likely snatched fish from the ocean's surface, similar to modern seabirds. Diving and stabbing prey. Pterosaurs, with long, sharp beaks, may have speared fish mid-flight. Land-based hunting. The largest pterosaurs, like Quetzalcoatlus, may have stalked prey on land, using their long necks to hunt smaller dinosaurs. They dominated the skies, but could anything challenge them? For over 150 million years, pterosaurs thrived, adapting to different environments and evolving into some of the most impressive creatures to ever fly. So, what happened? The Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event minus 66 million years ago. The same asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs also devastated the pterosaurs. Rising competition from birds. As birds evolved, they may have outcompeted smaller pterosaur species, leaving only the giants behind. Environmental changes, the loss of their habitats, and prey likely played a major role in their decline. But could pterosaurs have survived longer than we think? Pterosaurs were the first true rulers of the skies, dominating the air for millions of years. They came in all shapes and sizes, from tiny insect eaters to plane-sized giants. But what if some of these incredible creatures had survived past the extinction event? Could there still be undiscovered fossils of species we've never seen before? What do you think? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic prehistoric content.